The ribosome receives the mRNA blueprint, setting the stage for protein synthesis. The mRNA strand is decoded and tRNA molecules bring in the corresponding amino acids, linking them together to form a growing protein chain. This intricate process showcases the efficiency and precision of these microscopic marvels. The freshly minted protein undergoes a specific three-dimensional folding, determining its ultimate function. This final form equips the protein to carry out its designated task, showcasing the remarkable precision of the protein synthesis process. The ribosome, a microscopic marvel, serves as the heart of protein synthesis within every living cell. From decoding the mRNA blueprint to the release of the completed protein chain, each step is a critical part of this intricate process. The ribosome's pivotal role in sustaining life is highlighted, from producing enzymes to building structural components and creating antibodies. The humble ribosome, a tiny powerhouse in every cell, is the unsung hero behind the diversity and complexity of life. Its tireless work in producing essential components for life's functions is a testament to its significance. The audience is encouraged to marvel at the wonders of life and to remember the pivotal role of the ribosome. The video concludes with a reminder of the ribosome's significance and a call to stay curious and keep exploring the marvels of life. The audience is encouraged to keep the wonder alive until the next exploration into the microscopic world.